Yo, yo, yo. Yo, what's going on, bro? 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 Yo, what's up? Hey, man. Hey, man, what's up? Yeah, hell yeah. Hey, what's going on? What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Hey, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Hey, what's going on, bro? How you doing? What you doing over there? What? Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on over there, man? What you doing? Hey, hello, hello. Boom. Boom shaka laka boom boom chaka boom shaka laka boom boom. Boom shaka laka boom boom chaka boom chaka laka boom boom. Boom shaka laka papa boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom boom. Boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom boom. Boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom shaka. Boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom shaka laka boom shaka.
Never stray. Crafting strategies, my mind's a machine. Indicators fine-tuned, precision and clean. From Rango to V-Up, all my systems aligned. High probability, I own this grind. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my stance. Every breakout's my chance to dance. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles aiming for the skies. With charts as my compass and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide.
Boom. Bada boom boom boom. Bada boom boom. Bada boom boom boom. Boom. Bada boom boom.
2 years in the making, I've sharpened my blade. Thousands of hours, now the
Yo, what's up? Hey, how's you doing? Hell yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
clear. Through futures and
Yeah.
I navigate fast. I know the game, and I'm built to last. Others may follow,
Oh.
I'm in the lead. A hunter by nature, success guaranteed. I don't follow the crowd, I ride the wave. Turning the market into my trade. Through the highs and the lows, I hold my
Yo, man. What's up? What's going on, bro? Hell yeah. We gonna do some fun shit. We gonna do some fun shit. We gotta do some fun shit. We gotta do some fun shit. We gotta do some fun shit. Oh. Da. Dum, dum, dum. Da-da-dum, dum, dum. Da-da-dum, dum, dum, dum. Boom. Ba-da-da-ba-da-bum-bum. Ba-da-da-ba-ba. Boom. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da-bum. Ba-ba-bum. Ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-bum. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-bum. Hell yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing, man? Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
I'm the hunter of trends, I only progress. I'm the breakout hunter, no fear in my eyes. I soar with the eagles
Yo.
for the skies. With charts
Yo, what up, man?
and grit as my guide. I hunt the breakouts, no need to hide. I forge my own path, make my own trends. In the world
Hell yeah. We got going on here, man. What we got going on here, man? Man, oh man, oh man. What do we got here? We got, yeah, that's gonna be my weekly. This would be my, no, yeah. This gonna be my, this gonna be my New York zone. Yes, sir. What in the world could you have done differently today? Man, I tell you what, bros. I tell you what, broskies. I'm gonna pull up the. What? It says I'm live right now. I am live. Oh shit! I didn't realize I was live on YouTube's too. All right, legit. We're gonna pull up that trade. That trade from today on the YouTubes. Here's the live. This was live stream. See, look at this. It says. Let me mute this. It was live streamed 11 hours ago. This is 2 micros that I pulled this off with. All right. And I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to go back and do a live market recap. Look at this. Look at that. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. It keeps just getting bigger and bigger. $800 now. 2 micros. There it is. Take profit was smashed, but I ended up getting stopped at a trail way somewhere around here. I think this was it. I can't remember. I think it was higher. And this was at, what time of the day was this at? It was, let's see here. This was in the afternoon, man. This is at 3 o'clock. And then it just crashed, right? This is the live stream on YouTube that was streamed 11 hours ago. And yeah. And there's almost $900 right there with 2 micros of NQ. $1,300 take profit. Let me show you how I did it. Here's my chart. Here's my chart right here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful chart. Oh, this is when Trump decided to talk about tariffs. Oh, we caught that. It's let me show you something. These are weekly candles right here turned into support and resistance. Guess where price hit? Watch this. Oh, guess where it didn't cross over? See that right there? All right. Now let's go to a 4-hour candle. And what's this? Oh, this is a weekly end cap right here. Oh, what do you mean? What is it? What end cap? What is that? My guru didn't tell me about no end caps. Oh my God, look at that right there. This was the Trump tariff thing. See that? Wick, the wick, a weekly zone, the weekly zone. And this isn't support and resistance zones. These are end caps. See that? See how it's drawn based off of this? A new week forms and this end cap presents itself to you to trade off of. Yeah, whoever just left, because they're just they're missing out now, because I guarantee you they don't make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grand a day. And I was literally trying to show them how to do it, but they don't care because they're good little worker bees and they just want to go get their paycheck and make sure that their boss is able to trade. Yep. Anyways, so it was like 3 o'clock, and here's the run right here. So what did I do? Well, let me change this yellow a little bit so we can see what we're doing. We'll change it to let's change it to money green. Yeah, that's better. Green and red and white. No, dude, I got an idea. Let's do this. Let's do blue instead. Red, white, and blue. Now we're festive. Yeah. Yo, used car market is going to go boom tomorrow. I don't know, man. It's kind of stupid to go after the one car manufacturer that is literally trying to save the planet. Like all these people are like, save the planet, green, climate change. Oh, we don't like you, destroy everything. I tell you what, I don't agree with it. I really don't like their politics either. I don't. But if they want to start using violence, I tell you what, we're really good at violence, and we've been waiting like 200 years to use said violence. So I mean, if you really want to start using violence, we can start using some violence. But I don't want to get into that fucking shit, man. I want to talk about how we make money. Anyways, red, white, and blue. Yeah. All right. So 3 o'clock comes around. I noticed that we dip into the session indicator. What is that? Well, this is 9:30, and this is the support and resistance buildup throughout US session here. This is what it looks like. And this, I just showed you the live stream of me in this trade, so you might want to pay attention. See how it builds with it? There is nothing else like this on the planet. I know, because I had to build it because I wanted it and nobody had it. So that is the New York session there. This is the red one, is the weekly candle turned into a support and resistance zone. So this old one right here was red, one was weekly, and then a new week formed right here, and yada yada yada. But get in today's trade, I waited for price to come down, and the indicator powers the candles color too. So as long as they're green, man, you're good. But I waited for candles. Actually, I'm going to turn that off because I did not use that. I waited for candles to come down and come inside of or wick of the session support right here, this big block. How did I know it was going to do that? Because it flatlined. See how this is stepping up? This is telling me we're still pushing, right? As soon as this thing flatlines, I'm like, okay. So one of two things is going to happen. We're either going to retest and bounce, or we're going to blow through it. So I was prepared to do either one. I was prepared to come through, come up and retest the bottom and short, right? Or I was prepared to, come on, bounce off, retest, and go long. And that's exactly what it did, right? Now, what was my indication that it was going to do that? My beacon line turned green and came outside of the zone right here. See this? So what do? Well, it's really easy. You just click buy. You put your stop loss under the zone right here, and then you target whatever you're going to target. And my target was, let me turn off the weeklies because I wasn't using the weekly for this. My target was this zone right here, which was Thursday's New York session end cap. Actually, Fridays. There's a ton of orders sitting there. That's why this is even here. And I used that as my target. And there's a 1300 tick NQ trade. I ended up getting stopped. I think about here I was trailing. About like right here, because I figured it'd bounce off of this right there before it blew up. So I was like, nah, I ended up getting just under 1,000 ticks of MNQ. And already getting people going, whatever, you're a liar. Well, here's the live stream of it right here. Here is the live stream today. See, look, 11 hours ago. And here is the live stream. Yeah. Bo, 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 bo. Bo, 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 bo. Bo, bo, bo. Bo, 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 bo. Anyways, so let me go back to this. Now, what does this thing really do for you? Okay. Fair question, bro. Fair. We're going to switch it to 45-minute candles. So now, once this populates, or I did the wrong one. Oh, no, I did it. I did not. I did this one. All right. See, now the blue line, the zone has changed. Populate. There it is. This blue zone is now the 45-minute candle turned into a support and resistance zone. See that? Now you can actually do whatever candle you want. I'll go to 2 hour zone. How about that? And watch this. Look at that magic. And then you get your pullback, respects this, and off to the races we go, right? And then you get a bounce off of it right here. Off to the races we go. Then you use your beacon line right here, turning green after a bounce off the zone. Oh my God. You think I should buy that? So there's a 300, 400 tick run on NQ right there. Happens again right here. Boom. Turns green right here. Boom. Buy. You're scalping your ass off. Look at this. 400 before it goes into another bull flag, right? And this is just by noon. Then we come over here at 3, where I finally got into this trade. And boom, boom. And then Trump talked about tariffs and shoom, boom. But that's what this thing does. It turns candles or sessions. Here's the settings. You can go daily candle, New York session, London, Asia, 10 to 10:30 zone, and weekly. And it will turn it into a support and resistance zone like that. And there's a weekly bounce. Here's a weekly bounce. Here's a weekly bounce. Here's a weekly bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, here's a weekly rejection down, bounce down, bounce down, bounce down. Here's a really big one. So you could have literally sold this cross under right here, right? And there's people that do this, that use this, and then they just trail. Can't even do it with this. I'll have to do it with this. They just trail this zone down like this, and then when a new one prints, which is the next week, they close the trade. So you're in, there's a 4,000 tick trade that you just held throughout the entire week. Boom, dude. I mean, if you put any type of size on that, like, dude, you could buy houses cash. Like, watch this. I'll put just 2 contracts on this. Oh wait, we're on MNQ, so we need 20 for it to be the same. So sell, right? And then our stop loss, start there for now. And then we're gonna trail the zone once it starts shifting down. Let's see how much money we would have made with just 2 or 20 micros, so 2 MNQs. 2 NQs. What is wrong with me? Okay, so we're dropping. So now we're decreasing risk. See? Let's go. Maybe I should go to a higher time frame. Make this a little faster. There we go. And all we did is just short the cross. So basically it dumped down, retested the middle line of the zone right there. See? And then dumped again. So we shorted that. And that would be a legitimate short that I would actually take. And we are going to trail this zone. That's it. That's all we're going to do. Every now and then when it moves, we just move our stop loss with it. There, it moves a little bit more there. See? Really simple. Anybody can do this. We're blowing through this liquidity right here. Anybody can do this. And oh, I forgot the trail. So now we're actually trailing in profit. And then the week started a new week right there. That's why this happened. So this was Sunday at 6 p.m. So what would I do? I would close that trade. Click $41,000. Click. So stupid easy. Never even went into drawdown. Never went into drawdown. Here's the entry. Why would I enter that? Not hard, man. I mean, it's not hard. Let me show you. Price went through the zone, came back up, retested the middle line, and then dropped. And then I just moved my stop loss down this as it formed. And then 4 days later, I had 40,000 more dollar. Like, it's, I don't know, man. How stupid easy I've made it for people to make money. Yes, sir. I built this. I built this indicator. I built it. It actually is what runs all of our automation software too. And you see this. This is an end cap right here. So a new week started right here, Sunday at 6 p.m. This has a ton of unfulfilled orders sitting in it. So what do? Well, you wait for price to come up into it, right? And then when the beacon line turns red, see right here? That is red. What do? What do you think I do? I go click, and then I put my stop loss right there, because if price comes up over that, it's going up. And then what do? Well, I let it dump, and then I start trailing my stop loss on this zone, the weekly zone. See? And this is the same way you scalp. It's the same way you use smaller zones. And you can use 15-minute zones, 5-minute zones. You can do whatever you want, man. Whatever floats your boat, bro. Do whatever you want, man. But we're up 30,000. Okay, we're coming down. We're coming down some more. We got 14,000 locked in. Oh, looks like we're about to get smacked. Boom, there's 14 grand locked in. I'd probably short that again. Honestly, happened too fast in replay, but like in real life, I'd have definitely fucking took that short. Look at that candle right there, man. 5-minute candle dropping like that. 400 tick candle. Hell yeah, I'll be getting that. 100% going to trade that. Yes. Yes. Who am I? Oh, this is who me is. There I am right there. Click. Why is it so tiny? That's who I am. I'm the Hunters Club guy. Hey, look here, right now we got 50% off if you join our mailing list. Emails you a coupon. Get 50% off all of our stuffs. Want to read our reviews? Here you go. We have no reviews under 5 stars so far. What? And this was written 4 months after they purchased. This one guy said 2 days after. This guy right here is loving life. He's like 10 days, 20 days in or whatever, and he's making so much money every day. Look at 4 months after purchase, still gave us a 5-star review. 2 months after purchase, 2 months after purchase. These guys are in our Discord. You can come talk to them. These are our services: automated trade copying, bots, indicators, live streams, scalping entries and exits. Yeah, we can trade copy from Ninja Trader to MetaTrader to C Trader to fucking all the traders. Go back to the charts. I like the charts more. Charts are good. What do we want to do? I don't know, man. See that right there? This right here was an end cap, and look at what happened when price touched it. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I don't know what to tell people. They just don't. They should believe me, because watch this. Like, he just trusts, man. It's just trust. See that end caps there? Look at that right there. Look at that, man. You could just, here, watch this. This is, oh, I went too fast. Okay, let me back it up a little. This is how I trade the orb breaks right here. This is what I do. I use the 45-minute end cap, and I stick a limit order right there, and I put my stop loss right here, and then I target 2 to 1 like that. But this isn't an orb break. This is a weekly zone, so I don't know. And then I do this, and I get triggered, get into the trade, and I don't know if this wins or not, but I would be at least closed a little bit by now, or break even or something. Oh yeah, definitely would be by now. Probably be looking to trim the hell out of this. And keep getting it, keep getting it, keep getting it, keep getting it. Oh, the 2 to 1 was no good. Come on, 2 to 1. Come on, 2 to 1. Hit, hit, hit. Boom. There's your take profit right there. Look at that limit order. Ching, ching. So how do we do the orb breaks? All right, I'll show you how to do the orb break. 45-minute. We want to go to scalping mode and turn on our trusty Lux Algo orb thingamabobber. And we want this to populate. And here's our orb breaks strategy right here, man. I'll show you the orb break. Let me actually find an orb break. Shorts, shorts, shorts. So here's a bearish orb break. So we will click that button there so we can see it, right? And wait for the stings to populate. A lot of data is using big formulas. Okay, I didn't back up enough. I didn't back up enough. All right. So here is how we do our orb breaks. We look for this trade every single day. It's one of our setups. We have 3 main setups, and this is one of them. So this is the 10:30 zone. See, 10:30, 45-minute candles, 10:30. Yeah. 9:45 is where the first one is. And if you look, price blew through the 9:45 one, so we can't use that, obviously. So we're going to use this 10:30 zone. So since our beacon line, I don't even use price, man. Sometimes I don't even have the candles turned on when I do this. I'm looking for, see how this is breaking out down like this, and this beacon line's blowing through the bottom of the orb? That's all I got to see, man. I'm going to do this right here every time. I'm going to put a short limit order right there. And I'm going to target 2 to 1 right here like this. And then, damn, we got triggered. So we'll move that over, right? And then not an ounce of drawdown. Not yet anyways. Boom, and there's your take profit right there. Every single time I'm going to do it. Every time. That's what's called a mechanical system. If you see it, you have to take it. Here's another one. Here's your breakout. We're breakout right here. This is the 1030 zone right here, right? So this is gonna build up like this. We broke out of our orb already, but let's see what our beacon line's doing. The beacon blew out. Where's our 945? 945 was disrespected, so you can't use that. So, watch. Where's the 945 zone right here. The beacon line blew down and price never even thought about retracing, so you just wait, right? And then we wait for our 1030, because if it doesn't happen by the 1030 zone, we just don't do it. We just ignore it. All right, so that created a zone, so you wouldn't be using that candle. So now, since our beacon line right here is over the orb, I'm going to set a limit order here like this. And I'm going to go 2 to 1. Actually, since this is so close, this is a pocket of liquidity right here. I would probably just target that zone right there and get a little bit more out of it. So a 3.05, right? More than likely, that's what I would do. So did we get triggered? No, we don't. Oh, there's a trigger right there, finally. And we definitely get our 2 to 1. So our 2 to 1 was right here, but we're going to this zone, but it already got touched, so it might not make it back. Oh, it did. Boom. So there you would get a 3.05 that day. That's how we trade our orb breaks. And it's pretty slick, to be honest. It works a lot. Like last month, I think it was like 19 days it happened. And then I'm not saying we lost the other days. The other days it just didn't happen. And then if you look, here's your bull flag break. So it's showing you your bull flag break and then your retest of your bull flag break. Look at that right there, man. God, Patrick Whalen would be so happy with me talking about bull flags on orb breaks. Yeah. Except I didn't have a red week last week, Patrick. Here we go. Let's see right here. That's not even an orb. See, this one we wouldn't take. Would not take it because you never got your return. No. This one we would take. I'm getting a little tired now. Fuck it. I'm up for the count, man. This one we would take right here. This is a perfect example. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Hold on a second here. Let me show you this. Let me show you the orb break. Let me show you the super duper win orb break. Can you guys hear the music? The music's good. All right, there we go. So here's your 945 zone right here. Oh, that's actually a 9 zone. Oh, time changed. This would be your 945, right? And we have broke out of the orb. Yep. Oh, the 5-minute candle. I didn't have time to click on it. Anyways, your limit order would have been there. Kind of cheated here. And then your two to risk to reward is right there. So you nailed that one. Boom, in the same candle. So, but I usually enter on 2 minutes. So here's your 945. It's already been blown through. Here's your, that's 350. Where's your 10? No, this is your 945 right here. And here's your 1030, and it doesn't work out that day. If you were really trying really hard at 350, you could have got your 2 to 1 here. But I wouldn't have taken this. I wouldn't even have been looking at the charts at this time probably. But here is your 2-to-1 power hour entry with the limit order. Boom, no drawdown. Most of these don't draw down. So you look at when you bounce into these zones. That's why I like the weekly so much, because if you go to the weekly zone after that, like that's after you already do all that other stuff. Just look at these rejections, man. Yeah, they're just like, this is Lambo money, guys. That's what this is. This is Lambo money. I personally don't give a shit about Lambos. I want a Vision jet. That's what I want. A Vision jet, so I can fly around the world in my own little jet. Yeah. And then if you're getting a nice edge drop like this, you're like, I have nowhere to enter. Okay, well, just do this. What did price do? It drops and retested this old end cap from the weekly. It kept going, right? So you could have not missed all this drop and got into this right about here and still got 1,000+ ticks. I mean, I did it today. I just went up instead of down. I almost got 1,000 ticks out of that push today. And it didn't even happen till like 3 o'clock. Here is a perfect example of a bounce off of an end cap right here. I'll find these things all day long, man. Look at that. Look at that, bro. If you're a swing trader, man, I'm showing you how to swing trade right now. Boom. Boom. Take the high. Is that even the high? Hell no. We got more to go. There it is. There it is. There it is, folks. 2,500 ticks. Took, that was a Wednesday. It took profit on the next Tuesday. So 6 days, 2,515 ticks. What in the world is that, man? Look at this rejection, bro. But it didn't touch. I know. That's why we have the beacon line. Look at the beacon line. Boom, boom. It respected all of this. Get in the trade, man. Just do it. What are you scared of? You scared you might lose? Yeah, you're gonna lose. It's gonna happen. Hey, here's your swing trade again. Right off the damn end cap. Does it go? Probably not. Probably make me look like a fool. Nope. You tried to take too much. I always try to get to these middle lines right here. See this right here? This is what I like to target. This middle line, when it's flat like this, that's usually my target. So most of my trades, because price usually hits that. Anyways, that's 3,269 ticks if you went to the middle line after the bounce off of the end cap right here. So like, I'll just remove the drawing. What does it look like before price mitigates it? Oh, this is what it looks like right here. Boom, it's got this zone here. See that? Hell yeah. And then if you want, you can go into like hour candles. Once you want to talk about some market structure. I'm about to show you. Look at that. If you need a daily bias, here it is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like, I tell you what, man. If you did nothing but trade off of these zones right here, nothing. You did nothing but that. Just click stop loss at the bottom, target the top. You'd be a rich motherfucker. 100%. That's how I do all my scalps too. Watch, I'm gonna switch this thing to a 5-minute candle now instead. We're going to 5-minute candles. I'm gonna go to 15-second time frame. I scalped a 15-second. Well, not really. I scalped 5-minute candles with a 15-second time frame. Isn't that weird? It sounds weird to say that, but that's the truth. So this zone right here is going to turn into 5-minute support and resistance zones as soon as my data. Oh, I'm in replay mode too far back for the time frame. Yeah, that's what it is. There we go. This song's good. You know what else is good? This one. All right, we got our 5-minute zones. We got our 5-minute zones. 15-second candles, bro. But what? Hey, here's live right here. Look at it's tackling it. Is it gonna blow through it? Is it gonna respect it? I don't know. We got the beacon line to tell us. But hold on. So here's a perfect example of an entry right here. Where's my button? Here's my button. Here is the perfect way to enter. It wicks it just like on the big time frames, right? So okay, so what's going on here? We're on a 15-second candle, right? But this red box is a 5-minute candle turned into a support and resistance zone. There's labels you can turn on right here that will show you when a new one forms, but it's going to be every 5 minutes. So here's a 5-minute zone, right? We got a wick there, so we're just gonna buy. Let's see if we can't get this. Then we're gonna take profit. Let's see. I got stopped before it went. Crap. Try again. Right? But what did I do wrong? When I'm scalping, I don't just do the limit, things like that. This is what I do. Come on, load. I wait for that beacon line to turn green. I've got so many live videos of me entering trades with candles off the chart. It's unreal. There we go. Beacon line turned green. See that? And I got 2. So I'm going to go 40 ticks. There you go. Didn't even go on a drawdown. Just using the beacon line. See how this thing works? This is our special line here. Stop with the dots. How do I get rid of those dots? There you go. There we go. See? Now, I just made a bot earlier today. All right. For those of you that have stuck around this long, I'm going to show you something real quick. This is going to be one of our new bots that I've been working on. It's kind of like our one-shot, one-kill bot, but it's a little different. So this is what it would have done today. It would have taken 3 trades with 1 NQ, 1 contract, and it would have made $18,905. With 1 MNQ, it would have made $1,800. All right, hold on. I broke something. Oh, I'm in bar replay or something. What am I doing wrong here? Let's go back to NQ. Oh, there. Yep. Okay, whatever. Let me show you how it works. So that dump today that happened with the Trump talk, it would have caught it. See this? Short. Exit short. See that? This was the long that it closed. And this is the entry. So this one did go into drawdown. It will go on a drawdown. Went into 248 ticks of drawdown. And then it went up and took out 1,200 ticks on that trade. And then here was the first trade of the day. Was at 945. Went into 210 drawdown. And 819 ticks. So let me uncrop this thing here. I don't know if I can even do that. How do I do it? There we go. Uncrop this so you can see everything. Transform fit to screen. Boom, there it is. So here's the little thing for today. So it took 3 trades. And it did go into at least 1,100 in drawdown with 1 NQ. So I wouldn't use this on a 50K account. But this is just the preliminary beginning versions of what I'm doing with this one. Our real bot is badass. This one right here, well, I've been playing with the settings to take the 930 breakout. So that don't do that, but this is what we actually do with it. So 9:45 to 10 a.m. 1 minute to 45 And then we go 100 to one trade. That is correct. Boom. And then, and this is our bot that looks for, so what does this thing do? This thing takes the momentum trade from 945. So, you know, everybody's trying to break the orb at 945, right? So this takes the trade that happens right then when they're trying to break the orb, and we just capitalize on 100 ticks. Boom, boom. See that? And then this one lost. It's only lost twice in the last month. I think 30 something days. It's only lost twice. Even one this morning, even with the news. But yeah, that's one of our bots. We also have Ninja Trader versions and all that stuff. But here is what powers it, is the first light beacon. Yes, it does. So go back to my weekly zones because that's my favorites. And then my session. And we got some red, white, and blue. Come on. Where are you? Oh yeah, I need to get off this 15-second shit for this. I don't be trading on 15 seconds for this kind of stuff. Man, I'm just, dude, this trade today was just like baller, dude. What? I wish I would have got in down here, but this was right at 9:30, by the way. Right at the open. Look at that. Boom! Right off the midline of this weekly candle turned into a support and resistance zone. And then here's Tuesday at 10. Boom! Here's Monday at 9:30. See, this is where we actually did trade this. I think I can't remember if we called this or not, but I think we did. I think we traded this bull break over the zone. So if you cross the zone like that and then bull break, bull out, just go with it, right? And then if you're below it, you're only looking for shorts. If you're above it, you're only looking for longs. So since we're below the short, below the zone, we're every bear flag I see, guess what I'm doing? Clicking the button, man. Clicking the button. There's you a bear flag right there, dude. Like there's bear flags. There's entries everywhere, man. There's entries for scalps everywhere you look. Once you know which direction to go, you can find fucking trades all day long, every day. Look at all these entries, man. Look at all these entries, dude. Just crazy amount of entries. Look at I usually scalp 40 ticks, maybe 80, just depends. So I'd be like, all right, boom, get my 40 right there. You go 5 contracts, that's $1,000. So boom, there's 40, right? This drops down right here. I would go on a drawdown. I probably would close it and loss on that, to be honest with you. I wouldn't go 100 ticks and draw down with 5 contracts. And then here's boom, another one. Here's another 40, right? Then boom, right here. Here's another 40. Wait for another fucking bear flag. Boom, right here. Here's another 40. Right here. Boom, right here. Here's another 40. And I'm waiting on candle closes. That's why this one would have got me, because where did it go? Where did we go? Oh, this one right here. If I would have shorted this, we got this pullback. I probably, with the candle being so big, I probably wouldn't short it. I mean, you've got to expect something to come. You know what I mean? But if I did, I would have closed it and lost. I know I would have, because 100 ticks, 5 contracts. No, I ain't doing that. And then right here, boom, here's another 40 ticks. So you can, all these, this whole run here. But how would I know to do that? Well, because we're under the zone, man. It's simple, really simple. It's not hard. And then this beacon line will show you when trend breaks are happening. Look at that. So I don't short this. What do I short? I short the bear flag that comes after it. Confirmation, continuation patterns is what you want to short. Boom. And you don't go for home runs, man. Not on scalps. Just get your 40 ticks and get out. Do that 5 times a day, man. You ain't ever working again. Never. And look at, like I said right here, beacon line shows you your trend breaks. See that right there? Here, I'll replay this sucker for you. Watch this. There goes the trend break. It turns If you're a trend break trader, there you go. Look at that red right there, close. Boom! There, you're in there right there, right? And then we go to the low if you really want to, if you're gonna hold it. And then your stop loss, where does it go? Up here. Well, that's a negative risk to reward, so let's go down here. Let's go right there or something. I don't know. Let's see, click. Oh shit. There's your 2 contracts for 15 grand. I mean, US session trend break 10:15 in the morning. What are you gonna do about it? That's it, man. Like, here's a trend break, see? Comes crashing through the beacon line. We're coming underneath the zone too. I would not short until I was below it. So let's see when I would short. Let's see. No. Come on. Give me an entry. Here's a retest of the midline. We're under the zone. We're under the beacon line now. We're under that zone. We're respecting the midline. Let's see. Come on, give me some momentum. Give me a momentum candle. Give me it. That's still not what I wouldn't even, still would be waiting. Oh, there's a momentum candle. There we go. Let's go to this bottom of this beacon line right here. Let's see. Boom, look at that. Yeah, quick 2 grand right there. Ting. It's just too easy, man. When you have the right tools, look at everybody's like, I don't use indicators. I trade price action. Well, all you do is fund the fucking market makers then, because I don't see a dude building a house without a damn hammer or a drill. You know what I'm saying? Like, get out of here, man. You think I can't trade just price action? Sure, but I'm gonna get my ass handed to me a lot, because if I'm trading, say I'm in this uptrend, right? I look at this and we're pushing up. Okay, I'm gonna trade the bottoms, right? I'm gonna wait for liquidity to swing down and take out some lows, right? Well, that's a double bottom, so that wouldn't be a low, and I'm gonna wait for that to happen, right? So we're gonna come down and we're gonna swing a low, and I'm gonna enter something like this, right? Well, let's find a spot where that same logic fucking destroys you. Hold on. There you go. There you go. There you go, right here. Yeah. This low is taking out everything. So you buy this bitch. And you're hoping to get up here, right? Yeah, all right. Well, losses are part of it. And then you turn on this and you know not to buy this motherfucker and wait for it to drop so you can short it again. See that? Because when you went into that trade, where were you, sir? You were under the damn zone. Why would you buy? You wouldn't. It's a filter. It's a filter. There's nothing wrong with having tools. Like, I just don't get it. Well, whatever, man. There's 2 types of traders, in my opinion. There's the ones that want to be right, and there's the ones that make money. And I don't even try to predict them. What's it going to do? I don't know. I ain't got a clue. How the hell would I know what the market's going to do, man? Like, all these people were like, I can do this, whatever, have fun. I used to do that. I used to spend so many hours of my life trying to like chart out the charts and figure out what price is doing in this simple. Dude, I get on the computer at 9:29 now and go, oh, look, click. I don't even fucking chart the charts anymore. I have a 4-hour chart I chart sometimes. It's just to kind of like see if we're coming up on some major trend lines or something and might reverse, but that's it. I don't even look at charts. I literally get on the computer right before I start the live stream on our Discord. That's it. And whatever price is doing is either going up or down. Either going up or down. And I just wait. I just wait for it to go one way or the other. Like this right here. What time of day is this? 8 a.m. Boom! Retracement. Wicked the shit out of this. Gone. See? I mean, if we find them all the time. Like, you can get a trade a day with this thing. Every day you can get at least a 2-to-1. Every day. Every single day. Here we go. Look at this. Is noon right here. Comes straight down into this end cap. Right at noon. I don't even need this shit on here. Hold on. There we go. See, look. Boom. Buy that sucker, man. Put your stop loss right here. Put your take profit at the high. Probably even higher than that, but whatever. And let it run. Look at that. You never even went in the drawdown, man. You never even went in the drawdown. And there you go. There's you a $13,000 day. Come on, man. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Bro, I called the damn news today, man. That 4,000 tick run, dude, I literally called it today, man. I literally called it. How did I do it? Nothing special. I'm telling you right now, nothing special. This is all I did. I said, hey, look, there's a weekly zone there. We're going to it. And that's what I was targeting when we pushed up, right? I said, oh, the news is coming. It's going to wick it, and then it's going to dump. And it's going to hit this weekly zone here. Watch. I'm going to draw this box on here. Why did I say that? Because this was the next available zone, dude. That's it. There's no, that's it. And look at that 4 hours, man. Look at that shit, dude. Boom, boom. I mean, just even the weekly. Yeah, this is the weekly. Turn on New York session. Turn on New York session. Yeah. Oh, there you go. See, look, I had it drawn out and everything. Look at that. There you go. Boom. See that? Just from zone to zone, man. Ain't nothing special about it, dude. Look at that right there. Ain't specialness. No specialness. Yo, this song's good, dude. You know what's good?
The morning light leaks in, flickering across my screen. I sit poised and ready, daring fate to intervene. Futures dancing in my vision, crude grains and the S&P. I'm whispering to the market, show your hand to me. From patterns etched in data, I draw my line in the sand. I hunt the spark of movement, the signal I understand. When price bars
oh yeah, so I was showing you the website. The website. Yeah, click on this button here, you get 50% off your first month. Sign up for that stuff. And then here's our homepage where it like talks about, you know, warnings and disclaimers. You know, here's our services, the Hunters Club, the First Light Beacon. That's the indicator you guys are looking at. What it's called is the First Light Beacon. Advanced support and resistance. And then we got automated strategies. We got the TradingView versions and the Ninja Trader 8 versions. Social trading. You can trade copy. Here's the P&L channel, and then you know how to set it all up. Yeah, our bots set up page. Our partner we use for VPS is pretty fast, right next to the exchange too. And then prop firms, if you don't have monies and you want to trade prop firm monies, I suggest, because you can just make $300 a day and have 20 accounts and be rich. It's not hard. But yeah, that's our website. Pretty good. I like it. Little purpleness. What do y'all think, man? What do you think about this right here, mister? Moneymaker. What do you think about these zones, bro? What do you think about this, man? What do you think about these moving weekly support and resistance zones? Check this out. Watch this. Here you go. Watch. Oh, you hit the load. There we go. Look at that, man. It leads price. How do we do it? I can't tell you that, man. Can't tell you what it is. Can't tell you how it works. I'll just let you use it. People are like, that's just using it. No, it's not, man. Look at how the zones are being formed. This is literally inside of a consolidation period. Look at this one. This one right here isn't. Like, whoa. It's because I believe that everything is based on time. Everything in the market is based on time, in my opinion. So it's based on time, and to prove that theory correct, I built this thing. And this is all based on time. And this is a new weekly candle starting. Time. And then we go back through time to get orders to push price around some more. And it's just my brainchild going on in my brain head. My whatever you want to call it. We go to bed. I think I might play watch a little TV maybe. Then go to bed. Yeah. I think the main thing to make money doing this right here is don't over leverage. Don't over leverage, man. I showed you guys, man. I showed you making almost $1,000 with just 2 micros. Right here on my YouTube page. Live streams. Click live. There it is. Today. Look at streamed. Where are you? 12 hours ago. Look at this trade, dude. 2 micros. This shit happens almost every day. There's no reason to over leverage. No reason whatsoever. There's a $900 fucking micro trade right there with 2 micros. You know what I mean? Look at, there's 934, 940. There's a dude, that TP's $1,300. I got stopped out on a trail, which is fine. I wasn't complaining, but it did hit that TP, by the way. I should have just left it alone. Never even retraced somewhat, and then it went. But you know, it trailed. But dude, it's 2 micros, man. You get $1,000 in a day. How many people out there make $1,000 a day, dude? Come on. Stop being so greedy. Don't over leverage. A 50K prop firm account that allows you to have 5 mini contracts. They do that so that you'll blow the account. Okay. Look at the drawdown. What's the drawdown? $1,000? 2 grand? That's all you got. You don't have 50 grand. You have 2 grand. Right? Well, you shouldn't be risking more than 10% of your drawdown on a trade. And if you're trading your own money, you should never be risking more than 1 or 2% on per trade. And you need to use proper position sizing so you can get a proper risk reward so that you're always making more than you're losing. Right? Right. Reaching the real shit out here, man. Look at this, dude. This trade was baller, dude. Just don't get no better than that, man. I even brought it out to 15 seconds. So the indicator right there, this is our indicator too. This is built into the first light beacon. This is a contraction and expansion indicator. So it isolates contraction areas and then draws an expansion line for you to scalp off of. See how that comes down here and bounce and scalp? And it'll help you with finding places to show your stop losses and stuff too, because if price is going to continue going, it's not going to go below contraction if it's already on its trend phase. Anyways. Boom, boom, boom.